Are you looking for quick and healthy meals that can be prepared in under 15 minutes? Here are some delicious options. First up, we have a vibrant salad. Toss together mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and a protein of your choice, like grilled chicken or chickpeas. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice for a refreshing dressing. Next, consider a veggie stir-fry. Sauté your favorite vegetables, such as bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas in a bit of sesame oil, and add tofu or shrimp for protein. Serve it over quick cooking rice or quinoa. If you're in the mood for something warm, try a microwave mug omelet. Beat a couple of eggs, add spinach, cheese, and diced tomatoes in a mug, and microwave for about 2 minutes. It's a protein-packed breakfast or snack. Another great option is a wrap. Use whole grain tortillas, spread hummus or avocado, and fill with turkey slices and mixed veggies. Roll it up and you're good to go. Lastly, don't forget about smoothies. Blend your favorite fruits with yogurt or almond milk for a nutritious drink. These meals are not just quick, but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day.